Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. This fall gold, warm brown, smoky, half-cut crease look. I don't even know what I'm going to title this video. I did do this look for a party about a couple of weeks ago, and I got so many compliments at the party, and I got so many requests online because I posted like an Insta photo and everybody was like, I need you to do a tutorial on this. So I figured I would recreate it for you guys, and it reminds me of fall, and fall is here. It is October 4th. It's October 4th. It's fall. I am ready. I'm ready for Halloween, for the pumpkins, for everything. I'm ready for it all. So this is my first fall tutorial here on my channel for this season. So I'm hoping to do a couple of more. I have a couple of ideas in mind for different fall looks, but this is the first one. So if you want to see how to create this fall green gold half-cut crease, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so we are going to start off priming the lids with this Angel Eyes primer from Luscious. A little goes a long way with this primer, so I'm only going to dab it back of my hand and then put that all over our lid. As you can see, I'm starting off with nothing on my face just because this is a more intense look. I typically don't do this, but when I did do this look, I started with my eyes first. So I'm just trying to do the exact same thing. So now what we're going to do is jump into the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette right here and take the shade Agent, this orangey shade. Use that as our transition shade. We're going to put that all in the crease. Everywhere. I am concentrating this shade higher than usual. So we are going to be using two palettes. I'm also going to be taking the Colourpop Zodiac palette in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. And I'm going to switch brushes to something a little more dense. And we are going to take the shade The Taurus right here and also put that in our crease, kind of the same place where we put that Agent shade, but perhaps a little bit lower. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush and dip into the shade Smooth Criminal from the Jaclyn Hill palette and concentrate that lower in the outer corner, stamping that, and then dragging it in your crease way lower than any of the other shades. With whatever's left of the brush, drag it towards the inner corner. With that brush, no product on it, I'm just going to kind of wing it out a little bit. I'm going to go back into the shade Agent with the first fluffy brush. Blend out the edges a little bit. So I do want to deepen out the outer corners just a smidge more. So I am going to take the shade The Virgo, which is this really dark brown. And with that same Morphe brush, pack that in the outer corner. Wing it out a little bit with whatever product is left on the brush and drag in the crease towards the inner corner. Okay, so now for the star of the show, I want to take the shade The Gemini right here. It is a beautiful gold with like a green shift. I'm going to wet my brush with setting spray. And we are going to do kind of like a cut crease. Like I didn't even need concealer. This shade is amazing. I'm gonna go back in the middle and intensify it a little bit. So now I'm going to take this pencil brush and go into the darkest shade that we used, the Virgo, and try to sharpen the crease that we did. I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to dip into the shade Prowl, and that's a shade I'm going to use to blend the crease shade with the outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the shade Agent again with the first fluffy brush and blend out that crease. Alright, now I am going to be taking a Wifey and cleaning up the edges. I'm going to do my brows really quick and I will be right back. Alright guys, now let's move on to the face. I'm going to be using a hydrating primer. This is the one from L.A. Girl. It's the L.A. Girl Pro Prep HD Moisture Face Nourishing Primer. I've never tried this before, but I'm guessing it's just one of those moisturizing primers. For foundation, I'm going to be using Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer. I'm in the shade 1N. I'm going to dampen the sponge. I got this tip from Jaclyn Hill. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics 5 by Pores Setting Powder. I'm going to set everywhere where I applied concealer. And I'm just going to powder my nose. So let's do our lower lash line. We are going to be taking basically the exact same shades we did on our lid, just kind of in reverse. So I'm going to take the shade the Virgo and put that really close to my lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade the Taurus and blend that lower lash line. I'm going to add the shade Smooth Criminal and I'm going to do it with this small crease brush. Drag that on our lower lash line. And then last but not least, taking the first fluffy crease brush and going into the shade Agent and running that on our lower lash line as well. So for the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Gold Bar right here. Put that in our inner corner. Put that with whatever's left of our brow bone. So for bronzer, I'm going to be taking this Too Faced, what is it, Sun Bunny bronzer. Swirl my brush in here. For blush, I'm going to take this Ulta Mineral Blush. It's in the shade Cali Lily. Now for highlight, we are going to take the Charlotte Tilbury Gold Bar again. This has been my new favorite highlight. I've been loving this. I'm going to put on some mascara and I'm going to speed through this because it's just regular mascara. Alright, now for the lips, I'm going to line my lips with the Kylie Jenner Dolce K lip liner. Don't judge me, it's broken. And now for lipstick, I'm going to take this Morphe lipstick in the shade Wifey. This is the matte formula. And pop that in the center. And now we're going to top it off with some gloss from Morphe as well. And this is called Flower Crown. Now let's finish off with some setting spray. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was such a fun look to do. Like I said, I got so many compliments when I went to that party on my makeup, and I got a couple of requests too here online. So I was like, I have to recreate it, and it gives me such fall vibes. Just because of this, it's like this green gold with the warm browns and then a little bit of the cool tone browns. Like honestly, it just reminds me of fall leaves on my eyes. So I really, really love this look, and I really hope that you guys recreate it, and remember to tag me if you do recreate any of my looks, because I love to repost them and show you love. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!